All right, guys, my name is Ty Hurd, and today I'm going to show you how to do a tiny planet Nadir patch. So on your 360 panos. So we've got a 360 panoramic photo opened. You can see all the black at the bottom. That is your Nadir right there, and we're going to make this into a tiny planet of this 360 image. So first we need to make the tiny planet out of this, and this is really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to hit Control-Alt-I, and we're going to change this to 6,000 by 6,000. It was 12,000 by 6,000, but we're just going to make it square. Okay, so now that it's square, then you're going to go up to Image and Image Rotation, rotate it 180 degrees. Then we're going up to Filter, and we're going to go to Distort and Polar Coordinates. And at Polar Coordinates, make sure it's rectangular to polar, and then just select OK. And there we go. We've got our tiny planet. And we'll patch out the Nadir in this tiny planet in a second. But now we want to select a round. We don't want a square image. So go up here and select your elliptical marquee tool. Start just on the inside of the upper left-hand corner. Hold down Shift and then slide it over. And Shift will make sure that it maintains a perfect circle. And looks like we've got it selected there. Oh, I got a kiddo here. Hold on one sec. I'm making a video. Okay, now you're going to hit Control-C to copy it. And then just Control-Alt-Z a couple times to back out to here. Now you're going to go up to 3D, Spherical Panorama, New Panorama from Selected Layer. And this is going to turn this into a 3D workable space here so we can actually move this pano around. And now we're going to go down here, kind of line this up so that the lines are straight. The lines are straight. Oh yeah, you want to see the piano? The piano right here? I have a little helper here. So now you're just going to hit Control V, and that's going to put your tiny planet in there. Now holding Shift down, you can make this a little bit smaller. Yeah, thanks, honey. All right, and we're just going to kind of make this the right size. We don't want it too big. You want to kind of get it just right. There we go. And enter. Boom. And then here we are. Now we're going to Control Plus to go in here. And let's just fix this black spot. And I like to use the clone brush. That's way too big. So we'll make it a little bit smaller. And maybe a little bit tiny or bigger. Okay, so that looks good there. And then Alt, where you want to select, and we'll start off at the edge. And then just kind of paint this in like that. And we can dun, da, 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 da. And we could always do this method to get rid of the nadir in the first place, but this is a little quicker. See ya, hon. And yeah, so this is a little bit faster than dealing with the large nadir. All right, here. And it doesn't need to be perfect because this is going to be so small that no one is going to notice. Oh, come on. And it looks pretty good. Let's select this right here and kind of make this line a little better. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and now we can Control minus to back out. And you see that looks pretty good. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit Control E. And that is going to flatten this tiny planet into your spherical image. And then this way, when we move around, it stays in one place. And that is it. You're done. Super, super, super simple. And then, of course, if you want to save this, you're going to go up to 3D and then export it and save it under whatever name you would like. But that is that. Now you've got a tiny planet. Nadir, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks.